Hi, in front of me is Nokia 8.3 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Over here tap on the one that you want to connect to, for example that one, and pick Pair. After that, wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!